Know someone's facing struggles and you would like to help them, here are 8 ways where you can help them. First way is being physically present with them. So one way you can try is that listening to them even in silence, or you could take a stroll with them, simply listening to what they have to say. This alone shows that you are concerned for them and you are there for them without them having to feel that they are alone. Second way is showing practical ways of helping them. It could be in the form of saying a hello or having a brief conversation with them or even sharing a meal. These are tangible ways that shows that you care for them and that they are not alone. Third way is by checking in on them regularly. A short text or even a short call with them will show them that you are connected with them even though you're not physically present with them. Another way is by encouraging them to take care of themselves. Encourage them to take activities like saying a little prayer, saying no to certain tasks and people, also to have a walk in the nature, and these activities actually make them feel grounded and helps them feel better. Another way of helping is using words of encouragement in your conversation with them. It's like having words like, it's totally nuts that they are having things like that in your life. It's totally annoying. Things like this show that you are available for them and you understand them. And it's totally okay to feel the way they are feeling. Another way is that you can suggest them to have a professional meet with a psychologist or a wellness expert. For it is these experts that can help them in guiding and supporting them in their needs. Another thing that you could do is create a space where they could find peace. For example, you could gather friendly people and go out for an outing. You could go for a walk with them at a calming space, anything that is stress-free. Lastly, we have a very important one, sharing positive affirmations. Things like, you can speak so well, you bring up such good points. Speaking of their strengths and their resilience can go a long way in lifting up their spirits. At One Health Assist, we believe in the power of connection and support. If you or anyone you know is struggling, reach out to One Health Assist, for we have personalized wellness programs. Let's make every step count.